Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a color video to black and white video using Shotcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Shotcut application on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to create a new project on Shotcut. So I'm going to click on create, and then we can choose a video I want to convert to black and white video. Wait guys, I'm going to choose a video from my gallery. I'm going to choose a video from this download album, and I'm going to select my color video. I'm going to select video, and for example I'm going to choose this one. Okay, I'm going to add this video to my project, so I'm going to click on next. Alright guys, and now the video has been added to my project, and I'm going to show you how we can convert this video to black and white video. If we want to convert it to black and white, we need to apply black and white filter. So I'm going to go to the filter menu, and then we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the black and white filter. Okay, this one, go to the black and white category, and here you will have some options guys. You can choose the filter that you like, or the filter which is suitable for your video. Okay, I'm just going to try it one by one like this to show you. Okay, and for example I'm just going to apply this one guys, and we can also adjust the intensity. Okay, and then you can go to the adjustment as well to adjust contrast, brightness, or highlight. And I'm going to reduce the brightness. Okay, and for the contrast as well, and I'm going to increase the highlight and increase the shadow. Basically you can edit the video according to your needs. I'm going to make it sharper as well. Okay, apply vignette a little bit. Okay, once you're done adjusting your video, you can click on the check mark guys, and you can continue the editing using Shotcut. Okay guys, and that's all the way to convert a color video to black and white video using Shotcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.